Here's how to remove a phone number from your Instagram account. Now open up the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android. I'm going to show you two different places you can remove that phone number. The first one is tap on your profile at the bottom right and then edit profile. Depending on whether you have a business or a creator account, you might need to scroll down and tap on contact options. And if you have a phone number in here, you can always remove it from here so that people don't call and text you. So just tap on business phone number and then just delete it out and you're good to go. However, keep in mind, you might also want to delete out your phone number associated with your account entirely. To do that, we're going to go back out of here, back again, back again. We need to get to your settings to be able to do this. So at the very top right, tap on those three lines and then Account Center. Within the Account Center, you'll be able to control and manage your phone number in addition to your email address. Keep in mind, if you do remove your phone number, you will need a verified email address to get any kind of verification codes in case you lose the password or forget the password on your account. So from here, tap on Personal Details and then Contact Info. You'll be able to see there is your phone number. All you need to do is just tap on it. And keep in mind on here, you can hit delete phone number, but it might say this disables two-factor authentication and you need to disable it before you delete it out. Now keep in mind, you have two different options. You can go back out of here, hit add new contact and add a new mobile number. This is one option. You can just add a new number and change it to a different one. The other option is just to go back out here, keep going back, tap on password security, and then tap on two-factor authentication, and then for Instagram. From here, all you need to do is switch your two-factor authentication from SMS or WhatsApp over to an app, or you can completely just toggle it off just like that, and then you'll be able to delete that phone number.